hero.
Hey, come here. Whoa, you're off. I'm out.
Oh, he saved me.
No judgment, I take no disguise, just loyal love and simple lies. Dogs are offerings through joy and pain.
Good boy, Max. Good boy.
Every storm could never take that joy away. You wait for us anyway. No judgment in your way.
You saved Nana.
Lucas, what are you doing in there?
What happened? I got you, sweetie. Move, fire, stand back. Oh my God. It's out. Good girl, Bailey. You saved him.
You're a hero.
Thank you.
First day, right from the start, dogs are our friends, pure and true. Every warm moment leads back to you in your heart. Running with us in sunshine and rain, they bring us laughter, heal our hearts from the very first day, right from the start. And the night feels alone, you're right beside me, it's quietly strong.
Oh my God! What is it? Fire! Woo, woo!
Thank you. Attaboy, Diesel.
You saved me from the avalanche!
Every soul, you make the broken feel whole. You wake up broken, yeah, Leads back home with your heart so brave and kind. You make this world feel safe.
For memories, with every step, side by side you make
It's okay, good boy, Rainbow. Hey! Nash, no!
Board! It's the board!
Inside now!
the lies that calm my fear. But don't ask why, pretend to pretend. You love me just the way I am. It's all
It's because you never left us alone.
Honey, are you okay? Oh my God, good boy, Milo, good boy.
Keep pushing her.
Young and old in quiet ways, brave and bold if this world still feels like home. Home, every road still leads back home with your heart so brave and kind. You make this world feel safe and kind.
Liam? Liam?
Chose to stay. Want me fall apart inside. You don't know right. You don't run how you wait for your
Are you okay? Max, good boy. Good boy. You okay? Bring it, sweetheart. You're all right.
Good boy, Max. Good boy.
We got you. You're safe now.
Lucy, back up! You're safe, honey. It's gone. You're okay.
Can we take my scooter?
Cooper, no! Hey!
Oh my gosh, you scared me to death. Are you okay?
Yeah, the skunk was right there.
Good boy, Cooper. Good boy.